Welcome back, viewers. In today's video, we are going to check out how to do the package cleanup. So what happens is your package manager. So say you are using a APT package manager in Debian or the Pacman in Arch or Endeavour OS. So over a period of time, the updates are downloaded. Those update packages get piled up in your cache. So there is an update cache. So all those packages will go there and it will just pile up because the this update packages may not get cleaned because it depends on how the configuration is done by the developers. In some Linux distributions, after the install is done, the packages in the cache are cleaned. So that might not be the case with all the Linux distributions. So in Endeavour OS, they are given a method to do the package cleanup, and you can do the configuration of the package cleanup. So I will just show you. So you have to open your welcome app or the welcome screen on Endeavour OS, hit the package cleanup configuration, and you can do the configuration from here. So you have to specify exactly the cleaning period. So by default it is weekly, and number of package versions to keep. So it will keep the last 3 package versions of any package. So for example, if you are using the VLC media player, so the Endeavour OS will package management will keep the last 3 versions of the package in the cache. So if something happens, if the VLC, if the newest update of the VLC is not working, you can downgrade the package, and in that case it will use the older package that is available in the update cache, and it will just install that older package, and you will have again the VLC which is functional. It happens because in Arch Linux the updates are very new. The packages are very new. Sometimes some bugs will miss the testing. So though the testing is done by the community, there is definitely some small bugs which will escape the notice of the developers and testers, and it will come up, and it will then trouble the end user. So in that case, you can just downgrade your package, any particular package which is giving you some issue, then you can downgrade it, and in that downgrade it will use the older package version. Just the earlier package version will be used, and again if you have got an issue with that package also, then you can go and downgrade it to even older package. So such 3 versions of packages are available, so you can do the downgrade up to the last 3 versions of the package. So that is very good on your part of Endeavour OS developers to give such a option to the end users. So end users can experience a trouble-free performance from their system, and it will have a long-term stability. And also you can do change the number of package versions to keep, and you can also tick on the option remove and install but still cache packages now. So this is an option. That's it. That's nothing we can say big. Only the necessary features are given. It is not going to confuse you. Just you have to change the cleaning period. So daily, weekly or monthly is given, and the number of package versions to keep. Then there is one option remove uninstall but still cache packages now, and you can see here the current status of the package cache is given. So you can see here the package cache usage in my system is around 2.6 GB, and the free space on the disk is 188 GB. So if cache usage increases and it comes near the free space on disk, you can always do the cleaning. Right now the cleaning is not necessary. I can wait, or the cleaning will be automatically done weekly, so I need not do anything. But you can also do manual also. There are ways to do the manual package cleaning also, that I will show you how to do in some another video. So this is the automatic system package cleaner service. So you can configure it from here. This is the small app they have designed. It is a GUI based app. So with this I will stop the video here. See you in the next video with some other functionality of Endeavour OS. Bye bye.